Hello, welcome back to another super fast tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these images for free. So as a first step, open your browser and search for bing.com. Then go to the Images tab and click on Create. Then type this prompt. This prompt is in the description, so you can copy-paste it, and in the prompt change the profile name to your name. After that, click on Create button. It will take a few seconds. Then magic happened. Now you get 4 designs. Click on the image to preview. Then you can download the image by clicking on the download button. If you have any questions, comment below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again in the next video.